I just love the energy of this little duet. It is just packed with it, you know, just nonstop. It keeps going. He keeps pushing new idea after another idea after another. It's just filled with energy, just like an Energizer bunny. I love it. And I hope you guys take advantage of the MP3s I'm uploading on Patreon. So you can check it out. It's a very small fee. You also get 7 days free. So if you don't like it, you can cancel. Won't hurt my feelings. Also, you can cancel anytime, really. There's no obligation. But of course, I would like you to stick around for a little while and support the channel. That would be nice. But it's up to you. If money is tight, I understand. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope to see you on my Patreon page. The link is down below. You get MP3s of all of these duets I'm recording. First violin, second violin. MP3s gives you plenty of flexibility. You can play along, you can adjust tempos and many other things. I hope you take advantage of this and play ensemble. You really should be playing more ensembles. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.